with a shiny beak and feathers that gleam. She squawks and talks, she's full of cheer. You'll always know when Polly's near. Polly, Polly up in the sky, flying high and never shy. She's a chatterbox, so sly, making friends as she passes by. Moon and sun, she loves to greet, with a little dance upon her feet. Feasting on mangoes, sweet delight. Polly's shades are vivid bright. Polly, Polly